I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I build bodies that shut down rooms, baby.
381, 143 pounds. So it works. Come on, let's get it.
I was 275 when I delivered my child. I am down 70 pounds. The moment I watched the video, I knew you was going to be the person to change my life.
So if you tired of your pooch, get my Super Stomach Shredder membership at KenyaCrooksNetwork.com and get my other products too right now. Now, let me give you your move of the day. I'm going to give you two different ways of doing this, but make sure you get my Super Stomach Shredder so we can lose 20 to 40 pounds during the month of April. Again, summer's coming, and I'm going to get you ready. Now, I'm going to show you this. So basically what you're going to do, hands will come in, boom, like so. So you're here, boom. Here, boom, you're here. I need 20 of these, but you say, Coach, I can't go that low. You still can be here, boom, here, boom. So that's the alternative. If you got me, say, I got you, Coach. Like this post, tag a friend you want to do this with, and let's rock and roll. I'm going to make your pooch list this spring and this summer, so let's get it. Get that Super Stomach Shredder membership now.